This is a video about bromeliads and some of the interesting properties that they have, particularly those that live in Southern and Central America, where the habitat is very dry, and these plants defend themselves by spines and perhaps do more than defend themselves. This plant is a Dickia brevifolia. It comes from Brazil, and as you can see, the leaves have thorns on them and the leaves point forwards, and this is a good defensive mechanism that this plant has. The leaves only point forwards, and if I draw a cloth over the plant like this, you can see that the cloth doesn't get caught on the thorns at all. If I go over this one even, it doesn't catch on the thorns. So there we go. This is a Dickia, and we're going to take it out and look at it a bit closer. We can see there's a rosette forming plant, quite beautiful. It forms lots of offsets on it, and you can see the thorns, and they're all fairly evenly spaced and forward pointing. So this is a Dickia. These are very common in Southern America. They're terrestrial bromeliads, and they they come from very dry areas where the leaves may be attacked by animals. Now this plant is a puya. It's a hybrid. Again, these come from South America, Brazil, Argentina, very dry, rocky areas. And as with Dickias, the leaves have thorns on them. But as you can see, the thorns point both forwards and backwards. Let's take it off the stand. You can probably see that a bit better. The thorns point forwards and backwards on the leaves. As you can see that better on that one there. The plant is a rosette like the Dickia, but it does form longish stems, and you can see a trunk starting to form there on this plant. And if I take the focus back a bit, you can see. Now what I wanted to show you here was if I drape the cloth over the plant, I can't pull the cloth out at all because the thorns are pointing backwards on the leaves. It would only take some effort to get that cloth out of there without pulling the plant over. And so here is a plant that can potentially trap animals in its body. Not only does it defending itself with the spines, it's trapping animals as well, potentially. And that's puya. All the puyas do this, and because of the distribution of spines on the leaves, it's believed that they can trap animals even as large as sheep in the wild. And I'm not sure it's actually ever been seen, but the distribution of the spines is how they do that. And as I say, some spines point forwards, some of the spines point backwards. Hope you can see that on the leaf. It's difficult to tell from the lighting here whether you actually can see that. And here you can see an even more viciously spined plant, and some of these spines again point forward, some point backward. This is a Hechtia cultivar. Hechtias come from Mexico and very dry deserts in central North America, even getting into Texas. And these thorns can't be thought of just for defense. They're definitely for trapping things like small animals, because let's say I put the cloth over here. Again, it's completely caught. an animal that got caught on these thorns would not be able to extract itself. And therefore, these animals are pretty deadly. Why would they want to trap animals? One, because animals are a source of both water and nutrients. So if an animal gets trapped in these spines, it's going to die because it can't escape. And when it's dead, its body will decay, releasing the water around the roots of the base of the plant and providing nutrition around the base of the plant as well. So that's 3 bromeliads for you: Dickeya, Hectea and Puya, all of which are heavily spined and some of which can trap prey. The ones that have backward pointing spines and forward pointing spines can trap things that could never escape, therefore providing a source of food. Hope you found this interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.